Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily download and storage your data, how you can back up your emails in Gmail. So what you want to do is go and click here on the menu. When you're on the Gmail, click on account. When you are in an account, what you want to do is click on the data personalization. You will go down, and you will have here download, delete, or make plan for your data. Download your data. And when I'm here, what I want to do is products. I want to deselect all. And then I'm trying to find my Gmail. Where are you, my friend? Mail. Okay. You can also choose like what you want to download. Format, okay. Next step. One time, you can also schedule it. And now you want to file type zip. Okay. Create archive. So when you're gonna have archived and you're gonna see it, then what you want to do is find a program for opening emails. Windows Live Mail. And you see it here that you can easily open Windows Live Mail. Windows Live Mail. You just need to find it on Google and then download it. And that's kind of it. So this is how you can back up your emails. Your email will... okay. Requested, check activity. Yes, it was me. Here. Oh, here we go. Archive in progress, so it's not yet. But this is how we can actually do it, and it's really simple. If you have any question, just ask in the comments. That's kind of it. Thank you, everybody. Have a great day, and see ya.